Today we will discuss from WB class 9 chapter number 6 geography the part of landslide, avalanche, blizzard, volcanism and wildfire. First of all we will discuss about landslide. What is landslide? Landslide means when according to the slope of the land and the gradient of the land, when the masses of debris are coming from upper part to lower part of a mountainous region, that is called landslide. And when it will happen? If that area will receive heavy amount of rainfall or some earthquake will happen, due to these effects, this landslide will occur. And the effects of that landslide are life can destroy, resources can destroy, the total road system of that area will completely stuck under the soil or debris. Next, move to the next part, which is called avalanches. Maximally we can see this kind of disaster or hazard in the upper mountainous region or the peak region where the area is totally covered with snow. At that particular region, due to the climatic change or the earthquake or plate movement, according to the gradient of the slope of that mountainous region, huge size bulk of ice are coming from upper part to lower part, and they are coming so rationally that it will create a huge earthquake of that particular area. That is called avalanche. Okay, and also this is affecting the total surrounding area of that mountain, and it will also destroy the nearest cities, towns, villages, and it can destroy the lifestyle and the ecosystem of that particular area. Next, blizzard. Blizzard is actually we can see at the time of winter or spring. After the winter, when the springtime is coming, that time we can see this kind of feature. Actually, this kind of thing we can see at the polar region or the European countries which are receiving the cold kind of climate. What is the criteria of that? When the cold air is passing through particular area, and at that time when the snowfalls are going on rapidly, that is called blizzard. Okay, that means parallelly with the flow of wind, the rain according to the cloud, with the cloud the snows are coming downstairs. That is called the blizzard. Especially in European country or the polar country, we can see this kind of climatic hazard. Okay, then move to volcanism. Volcanism is a very well known thing to us. It's a kind of feature we can see at the area when two plates, two continental or one continental and another one will be the oceanic plates are collide with each other. That time what is going on? Through a particular mouth of a mountain, the lavas or the inside magmas are coming outside through a particular tunnel. Okay, and those are when those magmas are coming outside, those are called lavas. So that means inside the earth, those are called magma. When they are coming outside, those are called lavas. And those lavas are spreading total area of that mountain and covering up the total area. Okay, like cement. And it is creating a kind of mountain that is called volcanic mountain. And the lavas are coming outside, and with the contact of the atmosphere, they are cooling down and create such a triangular kind of shape. That is called volcanism, and due to the effect of it, igneous mountains are created, igneous rocks are created. We can find out different kinds of minerals from that area, and the bad side of it is it is destroying when it comes outside. It is actually destroying the life of that area, and it is actually creating the disaster throughout the area surrounding it. Next, move to wildfire. Wildfire is another natural disaster which actually or occasionally occur when two trees are rubbing each other due to the heavy flow of wind. Huge size of trees, tall trees, when both trees are rubbing with each other body due to the heavy flow of wind, that time suddenly they can create the fire. And trees are very much catchy of fire, so one by one that fire is actually destroying the total forest area and also kill the wild animals also. That is a worst kind of hazard we can see. In USA, 17,400 square kilometer, and in France, 211 square kilometer area or forest area was totally destroyed by this wildfire. And due to the effect of this wildfire, the total area is covered up with ashes, and the ecosystem or the ecological balance was totally destroyed by it, and animals of that particular habitats are leaving that place so rapidly that that area immediately turned into a bare land. So this is another kind of hazard. So all these hazards or disasters are ruining the human life and as well as the resources of the world. If you can't, sometimes you can't prevent it, but we can take the precaution to prevent this situation. So these are the chapters. You have to read it very well and understand it. Then you can easily answer the questions regarding of this chapter.